Tanishka, Madhu, good morning, beta. Good afternoon. Shall we start the class? Yaini, good evening, beta. Good morning, I am saying. Morning time saying good morning. Dharni, good evening. Kamya, good evening. Shivatsan, good evening. Rashmi, Nandini, good evening. Okay, shall we start the class? Good evening, Kamya. Fine. Now look here. Shall we start the class? Okay. Akshaya, good evening, beta. Now, the first question for today, tomorrow test is there. So, we'll be going very fast. Fine. Good evening, Akshaya. Now, look here. The first question for today, the roots of equation x square plus x minus p plus 1, where p is a constant are, which one is the root of the equation? Which one is the root of the equation? Which one is the root of the equation? Good evening, Akshaya. Which one is the root of the equation? If you will check my nice specs. Yes. Ready? I'm just moving. Tell me which one is the root of the equation? Which one is the root of the equation? Answer is B. Answer is B. Now look here. Either you can do one thing, either you can solve the equation, or you can do one more other thing, that discriminant method you can apply, or directly you can put this value inside and check is it the root of the equation or not. So if you are going to substitute p here, so p square plus p, then here minus p square minus p. So p is one of the answer. So now with p plus 1 you have to check. See, look here, root of the equation must satisfy the equation. One very important point is root satisfies the equation. Since root satisfies the equation, you just have to do one thing. Take one of the values and just try and substitute this one. So I just substituted p. How we are not going to use discriminant, factorization, this thing, that thing. It's MCQ. So only one work we have to do is take p and substitute. P square plus p minus p square minus p. So plus p minus p, that means p is one of the answer. So minus p gone. So now we have to check p plus 1. So when p plus 1 whole square will be there, it will become, so instead of x square, what you have to do? Instead of x square, what you have to do? Here x square is there. So p plus 1 whole square, and then plus p plus 1, and then here minus p square minus p is there. So here minus p square is going to get cancelled. This part is going to be p square plus 1 plus 2p, then minus p square plus 1. So it is not going to be 0. It is not going to be 0. So p plus 1 is not satisfying one of the equation, any one of the equation. So now let's check p plus 1. Minus p is satisfying. Minus p is satisfying. Okay, let's check. Minus p is satisfying. Okay, p is also satisfying. Minus p is also satisfying. Let's check this one out. So p square minus p square, and here it is going to be minus p. Tanishka, everyone, come on, quickly tell me what you are going to do here to get the solution, because a solution or a root, the root of the equation this, where p is a constant. Come on, quickly tell the answer. Start, everyone. Renu, good evening. Good evening, Renu. Start, everyone. I just told you one small work to do. Substitute p value. Substitute p there and check. So when I am substituting p here, I am getting equation very different. So now if I am going to do discriminant method is b square minus 4ac. So here it is exactly going to be 1. Then minus plus 4p, p plus 1 is coming. 4p, p plus 1 is coming. So p minus 1 is coming. Akshay is telling p minus 1 is coming. So Akshay, which one is exactly going to satisfy, beta? Which one is exactly going to satisfy here? Because here now we have to exactly go for x square plus x. We have wasted so much time here. X square minus x plus p plus 1. I hope this is the only question. X square plus x minus p plus 1, and that is equal to 0 is there. That is equal to 0 is there. So when we are satisfying, Akshay is telling pn minus p minus 1 is going to satisfy. Let's check this one out, beta. Let's check this one out. So if we are going to put here, a is coming as 1, b is coming as minus 1, and c is coming as minus p plus 1. If nothing is given to us, then how we are going to attempt this question? D is equal to b square, so minus 1 whole square minus 4 into minus p plus 1 is coming. So now what we are going to do? It is exactly going to come as 1 is coming, and then minus into minus plus 4 p plus 1 is coming. Plus 4 p plus 1 is coming. It is not going to be a perfect square. Wrong symbols you have given. Then here, if roots are exactly not satisfied by discriminant method, because if you are going to check here by discriminant method, it is not going to come as a complete square. You can see here 4p plus 2 is coming. 4p, if 2 you are going to take common, then it is going to be 2p plus 1. 2p plus 1. P is any constant. P is any constant. Then what you are going to do? In examination, when you will be exactly going to get this type, then how you are going to handle the question? Now you are going to substitute this one and check, because the roots of the equation must satisfy the equation. I think some problem if there will be there with the equation, then it is not going to be solved, because the moment you are going to put here, the moment you are going to just one time, okay, so one hot water I want. Full water went. C is going to be answer. See, look here. Yes, C is going to be answer. Absolutely. So first work what I told you, because none of you were giving answer, I already told you P is the answer. P is going to satisfy, because once you are substituting P, so it is going to come as P square plus P minus P square minus P. So 100% out of this 1 and C, A and C, anyone can be the answer. Now out of this P plus 1 and minus P plus 1 only you have to check. Okay, so now what you are going to do here is substitute p plus 1 and check. If you have substituted p plus 1, it is not coming. So now we are going to substitute minus p plus 1 whole square. Now we are going to check, is it going to be, then here it is come as minus p plus 1 minus p plus 1. So now is it going to come 0 or not, that you have to check. So p square plus 1, and then because minus whole square is positive, so it is going to be 2p minus p minus 1 minus p minus 1 minus p square minus p. Okay, so now p square minus p square gone, 2p minus p gone, plus 1 minus gone. C is going to be the answer. C is going to be the answer. Now you got it correct. Okay, so P was the answer and C was the answer. The root of the equation, this one where m is a constant. I don't know anything. Same method adopt. Put here m and then check. Put here m and then check. Start doing it. Put here m. I just want to drink water till then. Just put there m and start checking that one. My water bottle went down. Second answer is D. Very quick answer. If you are going to substitute minus here, Beta, if you are going to substitute minus m here, then it will become m square minus 3m, and here it will be minus m square and minus into minus plus 3m, because here if m will be minus, your option only I am taking, if m will be minus, m will be minus, then this one will become plus, and here it is exactly going to be minus 3m. Okay, so plus 3m minus 3m, so one value minus m is going to be this solution, so this part is not going to go. Now we have to check m plus 3 or minus m plus 3. If we are going to, that means minus m is the answer. Now second root we have to find. Let's check the second root out. So now to check the second root out, here we are going to write minus m plus 3 means minus m plus 3 whole square means m plus 3 whole square, and minus 3, minus into minus 3, it will become plus m plus 3, because I am taking minus m plus 3, minus m square minus 3m. So this is going to be m square plus 9 plus 6m plus 3m plus 3m plus 9 minus m square and minus 3m. So plus 3m minus 3m gone. Here it is going to be, m is there, so minus minus will be coming as plus. Check one more time, beta. Check one more time. B is going to be answer. Yes, because here minus part is not satisfying. So we are exactly minus m plus 3 is not satisfying. So shall we go for m plus 3? So m plus 3 whole square. Here instead of x, if we are going to put m plus 3, so m plus 3 whole square, it is exactly going to make it m square plus 9 plus 6m and minus 3m, and then minus 3m plus 9. Okay, minus 3m minus 9 minus m square minus 3m. Check this one out. So plus 6m minus 3m cancel, minus m square plus 9 minus 9. So B is going to be answer. So those who have given B as answer, yeah, you can put some value of p also in there. See, p means if any value you are going to put for p, then also you can check, beta, no problem. Then also you can check. Shall we go for next question? So this is another practice question for you. 4 options are there. P, Q, R are rational numbers and P is not equal to Q is not equal to R. So if any number you are going to substitute there, they are exactly not equal. So now then root of the equation. Now you have to identify the root of the equation. Remember one thing, considering your tomorrow's question, I just gave some tough questions also, because these are tricky questions, but only one thing is there. In examination, you have to substitute. You have to substitute what? You have to substitute the roots and check that is it coming 0 or not. If the x value will make it 0, that means that are the roots. Okay, that are the roots. So if I am going to go for question number 5, so we can check here that what value of x we are going to put so that it is exactly going to satisfy. What value of x we are going to put? So if we are going to put the value of x as 1, then it is exactly going to satisfy. Let's check this one out. If we are going to put x value as 1, the moment it will be coming as 1, it is coming as p square minus q square minus q square plus r square minus p square. So x equal to 1 is not the solution 100%, because just the simplest one I have taken and checked, so 1 is not satisfying. So the next important thing is minus 1. So when I am going to put x equal to minus 1, so it is coming as p minus q, p square minus q square minus 1 means it will become q square minus r square, because minus of minus will make it plus, and then plus r square minus p square. So r square, all this cancel. So D is the answer. Only one root is enough to tell the entire story. Only one root is enough to tell the entire story. The reason behind I am saying that one root is enough to tell the entire story, because here if I am going to take the values, it is going to take my time. It is going to waste my time. If I am going to take these values, it is going to take my time. If I am going to take this value, only one easy part I have taken, x equal to 1. It is exactly creating problems, so I took x equal to minus 1. So one small, I think screen is covering more space. Okay, I hope now you can see the entire screen. Now is it okay? Now is it okay? Now you can be able to see this part, able to understand, beta? Yes. Yes, Tanishka, for that only I am telling you, just take one of the values and substitute in place of x, if it is going to make it equal to 0. Now Tanishka, there is a way to handle this type of questions, beta. The most important way is constant. If you are taking, see, I had option A also, I had option B also, I had option C also, I had option D also, but problem was there that when I am putting here p by q whole square, it was creating problem for me. So what I did here is, very cleverly I have taken one first, easiest one, and then the moment I substituted, I saw that it is not coming equal to 0. Then very cleverly I have taken -1. The moment I put -1, then here it is exactly going to satisfy, because here x square, in place of x square only you have to substitute, beta. In place of x square only you have to substitute. So -1 square, sign confusion will be coming, Tanishka. Only one small work you have to do here is, beta, and that is you have to keep on practicing with sign, like x square minus x minus 1 whole square will make it equal to 1. -1 whole square will make it equal to 1. So like this you have to practice. Okay. Now look here. Shall we go for next question? Now look here. If alpha and beta are roots of the equation x square plus 5x plus 5 and equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. Now when these type of questions will come, what you are going to do? Alpha and beta are roots of the equation. Now look here, I am going to solve this question. This question is an important question for test and everything. For CBSE, this question is one of a very important question, specifically for basic standard. Basic standard children, they have to solve this question. And they have to give this question, and this question will come for how many marks? This question will come for 100% 3 marks. If one question will be coming from quadratic, which will not be coming from word, then this is the question which is exactly going to come. So now how you are going to solve this question? So question given to you is कि x square plus 5x plus 5 is there. Okay. Now alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots. So first we have to find sum of roots. So sum of roots is -5. Sum of roots is how much, beta? Sum of roots is -5 and product of the root is 5. But they are telling that ki frame the equation whose sum of root is, frame the equation whose sum of root is, very good Akshaya, frame the equation whose sum of root is alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. So now when root will be exactly getting converted as alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1, then how you are exactly going to frame and solve the question. So now what you have to do here is, just you know that sum of the roots and product of the roots you are needing. So what is the sum of this one? The sum of this root will be alpha plus 1 plus beta plus 1. So it is going to be alpha plus beta plus 2. So alpha plus beta, what you got? -5. So -5 plus 2, so it is going to be -3. -5 plus 2, so it is going to be -3. Understood? So it is going to be -3. So now this part you have done. Okay, -3, this part you have done. Now next what you have to do? Product of the root. So alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. For this only you have to do a bit work, okay, because this is the product of the root, but you have to substitute the value. What value will come, that only you have to substitute. So product of the root is alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1. So alpha beta value, what you got? 5. Okay, now alpha plus beta is -5 and then plus 1. Cancel, so it is coming as 1. So what is the new equation? The new equation means now you have to frame an equation. Now you have to frame an equation. In that equation exactly x square, so k will be there and x square minus alpha plus 1 plus beta plus 1 plus alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1. So here k, x square minus alpha plus 1, this value coming is -3. So minus of -3x, and this part is coming as 1. So we are going to put here 1. So equation is coming as x square plus 3x plus 1. X square plus 3x plus 1. x square plus 3x plus 1. Absolutely correct beta. X square plus 3x plus 1. This question whenever will come for basic, this question will come for more mark. So you have to be very, very careful for solving these type of questions. I can only request you all to pay attention for this question and solve. Nothing is there in this question beta. Only you have to apply the technique, and that technique is get the previous equation, from there find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now this is the new root. Now from this root you have to find sum of the root and product of the root. So when you have got sum of the root, you are exactly getting as minus 3, and when you are getting product of the root, the product of the root is exactly coming as 1. So sum of the root is coming as minus 3, product of the root is coming as 1. Now with the help of that you have to frame the new equation. Only this much work you had to do. Okay, fine. Is it okay? Tanishka, understood beta? Don't leave these type of questions. These are jackpot questions. This set I am going to provide you today. Now this question is, if alpha and beta are roots of this, then 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to minus 1, then what will be the equation? What will be the value of 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to minus 1? 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to minus 1. So now most important thing is 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to minus 1, and alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 5x plus a equal to 0. So now if alpha and beta are roots of the equation, then what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is coming as minus 5. What is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta is coming as a. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is, the big problem coming here is that beta part is not substituting. Beta part is going to create problem for us. So beta we have to substitute. Okay, beta we have to substitute. Tanishka, understood now? Beta we have to substitute. Now we have three equations: alpha plus beta minus 5, alpha into beta equal to a, and 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to minus 1. 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to minus 1. Now how you are going to handle the situation? Let's see how you are going to get the value of a. Without MCQ, give me the value of a. Specifically Tanishka, Kartika, Kamya, without MCQ values, I want you all to find the value of a. Don't see MCQ and substitute. I know you all. You will substitute the value and check. So alpha plus beta is coming as minus 5. So what I am going to do is 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 3 beta equal to minus 1. 2 alpha plus beta plus 3 beta equal to 1. So 2 alpha plus beta is minus 5. So 2 into minus 5. Okay, 2 into minus 5 plus 3 beta equal to 1. Okay, so now minus 10 plus 3 beta equal to 1. So 3 beta is exactly coming as 1 plus 10. Okay, it is minus 1 now. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So it is minus 1 plus 10. So 3 beta equal to 9. So beta equal to 3. What the sure short answer is coming? So now look here. 3 beta is coming. So beta is coming as 3. Now what will be alpha? Alpha equal to beta is coming as 3 equal to minus 5. So this is alpha is going to come as minus 8. Now alpha into beta is going to give you a. 3 into minus 8. So a is coming as minus 24. Let's see, anyone gave minus, ayyo. Okay. Beta, look here beta, I am going to again tell what is exactly given in the question. I want to show you the question. I think I removed the question. X square plus 5x plus a equal to 0 is the quadratic equation to you. Okay. Now 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to minus 1 given to you. Now what they are telling here is, auntie, I got long before. Okay, you got the answer. Minus 24 is the correct answer. Yes, minus 24 is the correct answer. Minus 24 is the correct answer beta. Minus 24 is the correct answer. So now alpha is exactly going to come as, So now, did you understood what you have to do in this question? First, what is given to you is 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to -1 given. So with this, what I did, I split and I got the value of alpha plus beta value. Once I substituted, I got beta value as 3. Then this beta value I substituted in alpha plus beta. I got alpha value as -a. Then alpha into beta equal to a coming. Alpha into beta equal to a coming. Only one small work was there. I substituted and I got, yes, alpha is -8. Absolute. Tanishka, understood? Everyone, now we are going very close to examination. So the more we are going near to examination, the more I have to monitor you all. So everybody should be present and everybody should be solving the questions. Now alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. If alpha into beta is 2, then what is alpha plus beta? Alpha and beta are roots of this equation. Handle this question. I am giving you time this time. Now I am going to give you time to solve this question. This time I am giving you time to solve this question. This question belongs to you. I hope this question is visible to you, because so much light is there. It is very difficult for me to check this one out. Tell me quickly. Understood, beta? No, not even a single question, Tanishka, you are going to leave. The moment you will have any doubt, beta, immediately inform me. It's giving so much light to me. Answer is coming as -7. It is not there in the option. It is not there in the option. I have to leave my specs, creating lots of problem. It is not there in the option. Now look here. -7. Everyone is getting -7. Okay, now let's check this one out. So, alpha plus beta will be equal to -2a plus 3 by a plus 1. By a plus 1. Alpha and beta are roots of the equation. A plus 1. Okay. Now alpha into beta equal to 3a plus 4 by a plus 1 over. Now alpha into beta they have given 2. Since alpha into beta they have given 2, so what we are going to do is, we are going to write that 2 a plus 1, I shifted this one this side, equal to 3a plus 4. So 2a plus 2 equal to 3a plus 4. So here 2a minus 3a will become -a, 4 minus 2. So minus a equal to 2. So 2a equal to -2. You got a equal to -2. Then if a is equal to -2, then minus of 2 into -2 plus 3 by -2 plus 1. So it is going to be -4 plus 3 minus -1. So minus minus cancelled. So it is coming as -1. Yes, correct answer is -1. Correct answer is -1. Okay, that is the problem. Okay, fine. The correct answer is -1. Correct answer is -1. Okay, shall we go for the next one? Now look here, this question is very important question. Please kindly, okay, now please kindly see this question very nicely and solve. Question is the root of the quadratic equation where alpha is a constant r. So which one is going to be the root of the quadratic equation? Equation given to you is x square plus 5x square plus 5x plus x square plus 5x minus a plus 1 and a plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the question, I guess. So this is the question only, beta. The question is the root of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus a plus 1 into a plus 6 equal to 0. Minus a plus 1 into a plus 6. Minus a plus 1 into a plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, go for it, solve the question. Good evening, auntie. Haan, very good, very early beta. Good evening, auntie. Solve this question, Arif. Solve this question as fast as possible. So a plus 1, a plus 6, a plus 1 minus, that is, these are exactly, which one is going to satisfy? Which one is exactly going to satisfy? A plus 1, alpha plus 1, alpha plus 6. So here 4 options are there. Only one work we have to do. If we are going to write alpha plus 1, so alpha plus 1 whole square plus 5, alpha plus 1 minus alpha square plus 6, alpha plus 6, 7 alpha plus 6. So just a square plus 1 plus 2a plus 5a plus 5 minus a square minus 7a minus 6. Okay, so a into a square 6a plus 1a, so 7a and plus 6a is there. I just substituted a plus 1 to check. The moment a plus 1 is not going to satisfy, we are going to switch to the next one. So this is going to be 5 plus 1 minus 6 gone. So that means 100% a plus 1 is one of the root. A plus 1 is one of the root. 100%. Okay, no problem. Now look here, 100% a plus 1 is one of the root. If a plus 1 is one of the root, now go for the next root. The next root can either be a plus 6 or minus a plus 6. Now go for it. The next root can either be a plus 6 or minus a plus 6. Now come on, quickly tell the answer. The next root will be minus a plus 6 or a plus 6. Come on, anyone check and tell me. Check and tell me what will be the next root. Minus a plus 6 or a plus 6. Minus a plus 6 or a plus 6, because already we got a plus 1 as the correct one. Because the roots can either be minus a plus 1 or a plus 1. So we got a plus 1 as one of the root. Now next root will be what? Next root will be minus a plus 6, Kamya. Okay, but I am just taking your value only, Kamya. Okay, so minus a plus 6 whole square plus 5 minus a plus 6 minus a plus 1, a plus 6 equal to 0. So now you have one more way out to solve the question. I am telling you, a plus 6 whole square, then minus 5, a plus 6, then minus a plus 1, a plus 6. Now here also a plus 6, here also a plus 6, here also a plus 6. Take a plus 6 out. What left? A plus 6 minus 5 and then minus a plus 1. If this part is equal to 0, then this is the root. So a plus 6, here it is going to come as a plus 6 minus 5 minus a minus 1. So 6 minus 6 cancelled. So this part is coming as 0. So a plus 6 into 0. So that means minus of a plus 6 is also one of the solution. Minus of a plus 6 is also one of the solution. See, the main idea was to make the equation equal to 0 now. So you substituted a plus 6. Once you substituted a plus 6, they didn't ask you what is the value of a. Okay, if the value of a they will be asking, then we are going to do another thing. But here they only told to check. Yes, you can also divide and check. You can also divide and check, Arif, whichever feel you are exactly going to get that, okay, this way I can solve the question fast, then you can go with this. Next question is, if the quadratic equation mx square plus 2x plus m equal to 0 has two equal roots, then the value of m is, they have two equal roots. They have two equal roots. Here you have to be very, very careful. What did they said, beta? They said that if the quadratic equation mx square plus 2x plus m equal to 0 has two equal roots. Has two equal roots. What they have? They have two equal roots. The roots are exactly equal. The roots are exactly equal. So alpha will be equal to beta. So if alpha will be equal to beta, then one small thing will be there. Alpha plus beta will be equal to minus 2 by m. So since alpha equal to beta, so 2 alpha equal to minus 2 by m. So alpha will be equal to minus this and this will get cancelled. So alpha is coming as minus 1 by m. Now alpha into beta, product of the root will be coming as m by m. So m by m will come, it is going to get cancelled. Okay, since alpha and beta are going to be same, see, and since alpha and beta are exactly same, so alpha into alpha square will be equal to 1. And what is alpha square? Alpha is minus 1 by m. So minus 1 by m whole square equal to 1. So it is going to be 1 by m square equal to 1. So m square equal to 1. So m will be plus minus 1. M will be plus minus 1. A is going to be the answer. A is going to be the answer. So A will be the answer. A will be equal to plus minus 1. What did I did? I just did one small work. I told alpha and beta. See beta, what are alpha and beta? Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. So since alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, and they told that in the question that alpha and beta are same. So since alpha and beta are same, so I just did a small work. I made alpha equal to beta. I made alpha equal to beta. I made a small work, I made alpha equal to beta, and then I got alpha value, and then alpha into beta value, and then I solved and I got m equal to plus minus 1. Yes, you can solve by that method also. Beta, now which method is convenient to you, you go by that method. I just told you one way to go out. If the difference of the root of the equation be 1, if the difference of the root of the equation be 1, then which one is going to be the correct one? So look here, 4 options are there. We are going to go for the options, but before going to the options, what we are going to do is, we are going to first check if the difference of the roots of the equation x square minus bx plus c equal to 0, x square minus bx plus c equal to 0. So x square minus bx plus c equal to 0 is the equation, okay, quadratic equation. Now they are telling that it is having 2 roots, and the difference of the root is exactly equal to minus 1. Difference of the root is coming as minus 1. In the question, it has been saying that the difference is 1, not minus 1. The difference is 1. For that only I checked. The difference is 1. So if alpha and beta are the roots, so if alpha and beta are the roots, okay, then alpha minus beta is equal to 1 given. Alpha minus beta equal to 1 given. Then I told you one formula. If you remember that formula, that you do square both side. The moment you are going to square both side, this is going to be alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta equal to 1. Now beta, alpha square plus beta square we have to handle. So alpha square plus beta square, for this one I will add 2 alpha beta. I will subtract 2 alpha beta, and then minus 2 alpha beta equal to 1. So this whole part will become alpha plus beta whole square. So the moment this whole part will become alpha plus beta whole square, now this minus 2 alpha beta will become minus 4 alpha beta equal to 1. Now you have your equation. I just used the basic concept. I first told that ki alpha and beta are the roots of the equation. Then they have given that alpha minus beta equal to 1. So since they have given that alpha minus beta equal to 1, okay, Kavya has given the answer b square minus 4c is going to come. Okay, beta. B square minus 4ac, okay, no, that is the previous question she was asking. So now square I did, and then I got this one. After squaring, alpha minus beta whole square is alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Now after doing this part, what I did here is ki I just added plus 2 alpha beta and I subtracted 2 alpha beta. Now this section total became alpha plus beta whole square, and then minus 2 alpha beta became minus 4 alpha beta equal to 1. Now what I am going to see this equation, and with this equation we are going to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now what is sum of the roots? Sum of the roots, because alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So sum of the roots formula is minus of this section by A. So minus of minus B, so it is going to be B. Alpha into beta is C. Alpha into beta is coming as C. Alpha into beta is coming as C. So now both the values we are going to substitute here. So alpha plus beta is coming as B square, and alpha into beta is coming as minus 4C. Minus 4C equal to 1 is coming. Equal to 1 is coming. Okay, because everything is equal to 1. So B square minus 4C minus 1 equal to 0. So now let's check the equation out. So what is the answer? B square minus 4C minus 1 equal to 0. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. B square minus 4C minus 1 equal to 0 is the correct answer. B square minus 4C minus 1 equal to 0 is the correct answer. Shall we go for the next question, please? This is a very important question. This question, yes, absolutely correct, beta. Now this question you have to pay very nice attention for this question. If arithmetic mean of alpha and beta is A, arithmetic mean, remember this part, arithmetic mean of two number is A, and product of that two number is G square, then which equation is going to be the correct one? You forgot the question in middle only. Now look here, beta, nothing you have to do here, only one thing, Madhu, it is given, beta, and that part given here is, Madhu, they told that, beta, ki this is the equation, Madhu, and in that, beta, they told that ki okay, whatever roots in this equation is there, their difference is 1. So Madhu, they told that ki alpha minus beta equal to 1. They gave in the statement itself. They told that ki this is the equation and this is the quadratic equation, and its root, difference of its root is 1. What did they said? Difference of its root is 1. So difference of its root means alpha minus beta. If I am going to take alpha and beta at the roots of this quadratic equation, then beta, its difference is coming as 1. So alpha minus beta equal to 1. And then what I did, beta, I squared both sides. Okay, I squared both sides, and after that I converted. So why I squared both sides, and then why I added minus 2 alpha beta, and why I added plus 2 alpha beta? Because I have to, beta, this is given, that is difference between the roots is 1, that is given. Now beta, this I have to convert it into this format. The reason was only one, so that I can get alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Why I want to get alpha plus beta and alpha beta? The reason behind is I have to find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta from here. So I use this equation, I got alpha and beta value B, alpha into beta value C. Now in this equation, beta, I substituted this value, alpha plus beta value as B here. In C, alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta equal to 1. So alpha plus beta value is what? Alpha plus beta value is what? Alpha plus beta value is B. So I wrote alpha plus beta value B, and alpha plus beta, alpha into beta value C, and that is what equation I got. Okay. Yes, absolutely. Arif, average is correct only. Correct statement she is telling. Now pay attention here. Madhu understood, beta, they are telling that arithmetic mean of alpha and beta is A. So alpha and beta arithmetic mean is coming as A, and alpha into beta is G square. So now just pay attention here. Arithmetic mean of alpha and beta is capital A, and product of alpha and beta is G square. Then how to frame the equation? No need to take here and there steps. In very simple way you can solve. Now what in all contents you can do to solve this question? Here, beta, to frame an equation, what we need? So if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, then what you are going to do? That is x square. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, beta, then what you are going to do here? The equation is x square minus alpha plus beta, x plus alpha beta. Okay, this is exactly what? This is the quadratic equation, na beta. This is a way to frame the quadratic equation where alpha and beta are the roots. This is the way to frame a quadratic equation where alpha and beta are the roots, beta. Now what they are telling here, that ki arithmetic mean of alpha beta. Arithmetic mean of alpha beta means arithmetic mean of alpha beta means alpha plus beta by 2 equal to a given. Okay, then what will be the value of alpha plus beta? Then alpha plus beta, this 2 will shift this side, it will become 2a. And now alpha into beta already given as g square. So now what next work we have to do? We only have to absolute कर देगा, super. We only have to substitute there. So when you will be substituting, it is coming as x square minus alpha plus beta is 2ax plus alpha into beta is g square. So that means there is no fraction coming. So directly we can write the answer x square minus 2ax plus g square as answer. X square minus 2ax plus g square. Now what is the answer beta? What is the answer? We are going to check x square minus 2ax. So sorry, x square minus 2ax plus g square. So I think B is going to be the answer. 10th answer, B is going to be the answer. Many questions are there, but these questions I have taken second level question. Kaushika, what happened? Whose Kaushika? What happened? 1k subscribers. Hey, I got 1k subscribers. Seriously, Kaushika? Yeah, it is showing 1k subscriber. Thank you, beta. Papa. Now what? Nothing special, beta. Now look here. If the root of, now focus for examination. It's okay. Now look here, beta. So focus for, if the root of ax square plus bx plus c are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. Equal in magnitude and opposite in sign means, beta, equal in magnitude. Now we will have a celebration, huh? We will have a celebration for this. It's now now only I checked. Now only I checked. It is written 1k there. 1k. Yes. It's written 1k. It's all because of you. You all only. Your hard work, not mine, beta. My children are always at the top. So celebration will be with you all only. So if the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. 100% I am going to send you cake. Now look here, beta. Ax square plus bx, but first I want best performance from my children. Okay, now look here, beta. So alpha and beta are the roots, but they are exactly equal in magnitude. Equal in magnitude means if alpha equal to 5, then beta will also be equal to 5, beta. Alpha will be equal to 5. I'll try to because I have to send you MCQ question sets. I have to send you AP MCQ question sets. I got a very tough AP MCQ question sets. Along with question sets, I will send you answer also. Okay, I will send you answers also, beta. Answer is telling coming, Madhu is telling Madhumita minus plus x. Okay, minus plus x is telling answer. Giveaway. No, there will be celebration. This time to 100%. If you will be wanting any other class, trigonometry class, if you will be wanting any other class, I am going to give, because AP questions are also hanging, beta. Okay, I'll do this, Tanishka. Now look here, beta. So ax square plus bx plus c equal, roots are equal in magnitude. Equal in magnitude means alpha will be equal to beta. I should congratulate all of you because I am incomplete without my students. Like my life is half because if you will not be there. Okay, Tanishka, statistics also I am going to teach 100%. Beta, my life is incomplete because 11th question, yes, Kardega. It's not complete. Yes, really celebration. So if I'll celebrate with you all only. Okay, so ax square, so alpha and beta are equal in magnitude means value whatever it will get same, but they are opposite. So if alpha will be equal to a, beta will be equal to minus a. Shall we focus in the test beta, because tomorrow test is there. If roots are this, your victory is my victory. If the roots of this are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign, so beta what we are going to do is equal in magnitude and opposite in sign. 100% beta, I am going to send trigonometry also, but one thing is there, I just want you all to make as much practice as possible. Okay, now look here, you are not allowing me to teach today right now. Now question will be what? So here alpha plus beta, now one time beta, just alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a. Now they are telling that the roots are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So if alpha equal to a, then beta will be equal to minus a. So here shall we substitute alpha equal to capital A and beta is minus a equal to b by a. So now this will become 0. So a minus a will become 0. So 0 equal to b by a. So what is the value? Which one is exactly going to be 0? Which one is exactly going to be 0 beta? AP in live stream I am going to give. How much time it is going to take, I am ready to stand beta, but it's important. So now beta, beta is going to, B is going to be 0. B is going to be 0. 13th answer, B is going to be 0. 13th answer, B is going to be 0. Come on, mind this one. 13th answer, sorry, 12th answer, B is going to be 0. B is going to be 0. 12th answer, B is going to be 0. Please remember this one, because I did only one small work. I said that ki both the roots are exactly ax square plus bx plus c is there. If you want to check this one out, so ax square plus bx plus c is there. Now whatever roots are, so let alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha and beta are the roots. So alpha and beta are the roots. So if alpha and beta are the roots beta, then they are telling that alpha and beta are equal in magnitude, opposite in sign. So let alpha equal to a, then beta will be equal to minus a. Since a is there, so we are going to take it as capital A. Okay, so now sum of the roots of this will become what? Alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a. Now beta, alpha is a and beta is minus a, equal to minus b by a. So cancel. So it is going to come as minus b by a equal to 0. So now this part is b equal to 0. So 100% b equal to 0 will be coming. 100% b will be equal to 0 beta. Whatever time you will say beta, I will be teaching, because tomorrow you are having your test. Right now first priority is your class. How much revisions is possible in my hand, that much revision. If you will tell now from 10 o'clock auntie you will stand and teach, I am ready to do, but I really want your score. Now beta, this question go for the number of integer value of x so that this equal to 1. Now this question please kindly solve very nicely. I don't want any leniency in this question. Question given to you is the integer part beta. They are telling that the number of integral value of x. How many integral value of x is possible when this power is coming as 1? So 2 to the power 2 x square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 1 is coming. Then what could be the integral value of x? How many integral value of x will be there which will make it equal to 1? Integral value of x will be there which is exactly going to make it equal to 1. So if I am going to put x equal to 0, then it is not going to make it equal to 1. If I am going to the number of integral value, how many number of integral values can make it equal to 1? Number of integral values make it equal to 1. What you have to do here? Do you have to solve? Yes, you have to solve here. So now what you are going to do here is 2x square minus 7x plus 5. We will solve. It is going to come as minus 5x minus 2x plus 5. So beta, first whatever is there in the root, that is in the question what they have given. Tanishka, pay attention here beta. Here 2 to the power 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is there beta. That means it is exactly in the power. It is exactly in the power. So take this power 1 out and first factorize it. So when you are factorizing it, 2x square minus 7x plus 5. So here it is going to be coming as 2x square minus 5x minus 2x plus 5. So if you will take x common, then this one is going to be 2x minus 5. If you are going to take minus 1 common, it is going to be 2x minus 5. So now beta 2x minus 5. So x minus 1 is coming and 2x minus 5 is coming. Integral value they are telling. Integral value. So integral value here x is coming as 5 by 2. Not possible. So what value can be coming? X equal to, only one value will be there. 2 to the power 0. When everything will become 0, then only left side will be equal to right side. 2 to the power 0. So for only one value, correct Saran, only one value it is going to satisfy. Okay, only one value it is going to satisfy. So here x will be equal to 1. So only for 1. So those who have given B answer, they are absolutely correct. Any doubt is there in this question, you can ask. Okay, now shall we go for the next question, question number 14. In question number 14, what they are telling that if x minus 1 is one of the factor of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then one of the root of this is, which one will be the root of this? Then one of the root of this, question number 14. Then one of the root of this, integral value only beta. So x equal to 1 will be coming. Absolute. It is exactly going to be time waste if we are going to think more about this question. Now look here, they are already openly telling one thing, and they are telling that कि x minus 1 is a factor of this. Then why we are going to go and divide? Because a, b, c are constant and we don't know the exact value of a, b, c. If we might have known the exact value of a, b, c, then we could have thought of dividing, okay, and to get the other factors out. But here x minus 1 is already one of the factor. So that means if x minus 1 is factor of ax square plus bx plus c, if x minus 1 is a factor of ax square plus bx plus c, that means beta it is going to satisfy, or it is going to completely divide ax square plus bx plus c. That means x minus 1 equal to 0, that is x will be equal to x minus a equal to 0, that is x equal to a, x equal to a. This means this a will, when you are going to substitute a here, it is exactly going to satisfy. That means a is one of the root of this equation. Okay, a is one of the root. A is one of the root. I didn't solve 11th question. I didn't solve 11th question. Okay. Okay, is it visible beta? Check. If 1 minus b is the root of this quadratic equation, then its roots are, if 1 minus b is the root of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 1 minus b, then its roots are, what are the roots? Yeah, Arif, go for this question beta. Tell me the answer for this question. Tell me the answer for this question. Exactly what is given in this question now. They have exactly said a simple thing that ki 1 minus b is a root of the quadratic equation, this one. So that means if this is one of the root, 1 minus b is one of the root, then another root, shall we take it as alpha? So alpha plus 1 minus b will be equal to minus b by 1, equal to minus b by 1. Is it visible, or should I write with black pen? So now I am writing it again. So 1 minus b is one of the root. 1 minus b is one of the root. Shall we take another root as alpha? So now sum of the roots is minus b, because this is an equation. X square plus bx plus 1 minus b, x square plus bx plus 1 minus b equal to 0. So one of the root is given as 1 minus b. So 1 minus b is one of the root. Let the other root be let the other root be alpha. So alpha plus 1 minus b, sum of the root will be coming as what? Sum of the root is coming as this by this. So minus b by a, and here a is coming as 1. So it is going to be minus b by 1. So now we are going to solve. Alpha will be equal to minus b and then minus 1 plus b. So this and this will get cancelled. So alpha is coming as minus 1. So one of the root is coming as minus 1. Alpha is coming as minus 1. Now beta, product of the root. We are going to check for the product of the root. Product of the root will be alpha into 1 minus b equal to 1 minus b. Alpha into 1 minus b equal to 1 minus b. So this and this will be cancelled. So alpha is coming as, another root is coming as 1. So either root will be coming as 1. Thank you so much, Gautam. God bless you, beta. So alpha is coming as 1 minus and 1 and minus 1. So alpha is coming as 1 and minus 1, beta. Alpha is coming as what? Alpha is coming as 1 and minus 1. So C will be the answer. 11C will be the answer. Alpha will be coming as 1 and minus 1. Check. C is going to be the answer. 1 and minus 1. Yes. One time it is coming as 1. One time it is coming as minus 1. One time is coming as 1. One time is coming as minus 1. But alpha value only is coming 2 times, 1 and minus 1. Yes, 1 and minus 1. Now shall we go for next question? If the roots of this are equal in magnitude, this one already we have done. So now we are going towards some typical questions. This set is a very typical set. If you will handle these questions, means tomorrow exam will be nothing for you. So now if sine theta and cos theta are roots of this equation, then what will be the correct statement? Sine theta and cos theta are roots of this equation, then which one is going to be the correct one? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is there. Ax square plus bx plus c. Answer already you got. Ayo Arab. Today if you will solve this set and AP set what I have selected now, if that AP set you will solve, tomorrow AP will be nothing for you. Promise, tomorrow AP will be nothing for you. Just now look here, sine theta and cos theta are roots of equation. Sine theta and cos theta are roots of equation. Sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta and cos theta are roots of equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, beta. Sine theta and cos theta. So beta, if sine theta and cos theta are roots of the equation, then what will be sum of the root? Sine theta plus cos theta will be equal to minus b by a. Now sine theta into cos theta will become what, beta? Sine theta into cos theta will become c by a. Then they have given one equation format now. So now 100% Kavya, I told you na beta, today is your day. Whichever chapter you are going to tell, that chapter I am going to give live stream. I made myself free for you only in evening time. So only I finished all my work in morning time, so that evening time I will give you all time. I have cancelled all class 11th and 12th class for you today, so that I can be with all of you when you will be practicing. If you will be needing me, I will just give you answers. For that only I made myself free. 100% I am going to start at 7. Whichever time you will say, I will be starting. Okay, I have time. If you will say continuous aunty, I am going to do continuous. No problem for my side. Kartika, trigonometry also no problem. Okay, trigonometry easy question only, beta. Height and distance application will be there, but focus here in these questions. So now look here, beta. Sine theta plus cos theta is coming as minus b by a. Sine theta plus cos theta is coming as what, beta? Minus b by a. Sine theta into cos theta is coming as c by a. Then we have to create a relation here, because the relation is missing. So there is no relation coming here. Okay, no problem, beta. Whichever time you will say, I will be available. So now look here, sine theta plus cos theta, and you solve this one, beta, first. So sine theta plus cos theta is coming as minus b by a, beta. So first what you have to do, square it. when you will square it, it is going to come as, because our focus should be to eliminate sin theta and cos theta and to form a equation, okay, or to form a equation. So elimination, what we have to do, okay, so now sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta will be equal to b square by a square beta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, already you know that it is 1 plus 2. Now sin theta into cos theta, what will be the value of sin theta into cos theta? From the equation we have got the value of sin theta into cos theta as c by a. So 2 into c by a equal to b square by c square. So now what we have to do is, we have to first solve. Solving section is only going to be there. So here it is going to be a plus 2c by a equal to b square by a square. Now here left side right side cancellation we can do. This and this got cancelled. Now this a will go that side. So a square plus 2ac plus b square is coming. So a square plus 2ac equal to b square is coming. So shall we say that a square minus b square plus 2ac equal to 0. A square minus b square plus 2ac equal to 0. Let's see what is the equation. We have not seen the equation also, but here the equation, what equation we got is a square minus b square plus 2ac. A square minus b square plus 2ac. A square minus b square plus 2ac. A square minus b square plus 2ac equal to 0. The most important thing here is, here in this equation we should not have to be disheartened and frightened. Here no need to be frightened, because a square plus 2ac is already there. What we need to do is shift this b square that side. So it is going to be a square plus 2ac equal to b square. But here all of them are either written in the form of a minus c whole square or a plus c whole square. To make it as a plus c whole square, what we need to do is, we are going to add a square plus 2ac plus c square, adding both sides. The moment you add it plus c square, it is coming as a plus c whole square equal to b square plus c square. A plus c whole square equal to b square plus c square. You got? Yes, Vatsan, I am going to give break, beta. I am going to give break. At the time of break, I am going to send you these solutions, because many questions are there. And all these questions, the more it is going up, the more it is going tough. The more up, the more tough. So either you need a break today or you need to practice more today. How much time you will be with me, that much time you will practice. That is for assurance. Yes, c square on both sides, Arif. The moment you will square on both sides, you will be getting answer. So shall we go back to our next part? So 15 question only over. You have maximum 40 question from this part, and these are boss of the questions. In fact, I checked in different books. If this question solved means quadratic basic question solved. No problem. Kartika will meet at 7. Right now you are saying we are going to meet at 7. Word problem also will be there, beta. How much you will say tomorrow morning also, if you will say tomorrow morning also, I will be present for you. Okay. The numerical difference of the roots of this. What is the numerical difference of the roots of this? Come on, quickly solve. But rather than thinking about the other class, shall we focus and solve as much as possible, at least 25 questions, so that other questions I will give you as practice. As 25 questions first. So now look at, target is 25 right now. After 25, I will give you a break and then I will start at 7. Now look at, x square minus 7x minus 9 is there, equal to 0. Now the numerical difference of the roots. So whatever roots are going to come, that numerical difference will be what? X square minus 7x minus 9 is coming. Numerical difference of the roots. Numerical difference of the roots they are asking. So first thing is that, if here x square minus 7x minus 9. X square minus 7x minus 9 is there. X square x square minus 7x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now numerical difference of the roots asking here, it is not going to be factorized so easily. So what you are going to do? You will take a equal to 1, b equal to minus 7, c equal to minus 9. First discriminant part you are going to do. So discriminant means minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. So it is going to be coming as 49 plus 36. So it is going to be 9. 85 is coming. What is this here? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 4, 3, 7, 1, 8. 85 is coming. Clearly kill me here. So 85 factor, any 85 factor is coming. 85 factor is 5, 5 ones are 5, 5, yeah, should leave it. So now x will be equal to minus b, minus of minus 7 plus minus root under 85 by 2. So here it is going to come as 7 plus minus root under 85 by 2. So now one of the root is going to come as, they are saying that the difference between the root. Hello king, the difference between the roots. So what will be the difference between the roots? So alpha will be taken as 7 plus 85 by 2, beta will be taken as 7 minus 85 by 2. Okay, so now difference they are asking. Option is there. Okay, CB, congratulations. So now look here, beta, alpha minus beta. The moment you will do alpha minus beta, 7 minus 2 minus root under 85 by 2, then minus 7 minus by 2 plus root under 85 by 2. Kill this one here. 2 times of 85 by 2, cancel 85. Root under 85 is coming. Root under 85 is coming. So the difference between the roots are coming as root under 85. The difference between the roots are coming root under 85. Let's check this one out. The difference between the roots are coming root under 85 and D is there. Root under 85 is going to be the answer. Shall we go for the next question please? If A, B, C equal to 0, A is not equal to 0, A plus B plus C equal to 0, A is not equal to 0, A, B, C both are real number, then roots of the equation are, I have no idea, solve it. A plus B plus C equal to 0 given. A plus B plus C equal to 0 given. A plus B plus C equal to 0 given. Thank you everyone. Yes. A plus B plus C equal to 0 given. A plus B plus C equal to 0 given, A plus B plus C equal to 0 given. So one simple thing is there, that one A plus B plus C equal to 0 given and AX plus B plus C is 0 is there. Now what they are asking? They are asking the roots. Come on, go for this, Auntie, please keep the class at 8. Hey, you want class at 9, you want class at 7, you want class at 8. I will be present in 7 also, 8 also, 9 also. Tomorrow test is there. So 100%. We are going to only think about test first. We are only going to think about test first. Hi Sundar, hi CB, hi everyone. Thank you for your wishes. Okay. No. Now look here. What we are going to do here is A plus B plus C equal to 1 there. A plus B plus C equal to 0, they have already given, all are real number. Now next part they have not said anything. So we have to be very carefully handle the question. I think I should go for the question back. I am having one doubt. And that doubt is, they are telling that the numerical difference of this, no. Now A plus B plus C equal to 0, A is not equal to 0. A, B, C are exactly, then roots of the equation. So ax square plus bx plus c. One small work we are going to do. Roots of the equation is alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a. Alpha into beta will be equal to c by a. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is, where are you going? Come here. Okay. So alpha plus beta is coming as minus b by a and alpha into beta is coming as c by a. I am fine, thank you, King. What? Okay. substitution is going to do the work. Substitution is going to do the work because there whatever substitution part is there, options are going to help us, because here it is going to create problem when a plus b plus c equal to 0. Options are going to help you. So if roots are a and b, a cannot be equal to 0. Not at 7, please auntie. Which time you are telling? I'm ready. Tell me which time you are ready. Which time you are telling? Which time? Tell me fast. Fight. My eyes are glaring so much today, huh? 8. Okay. Do one thing. Go for voting. 7 to 8:30. 8. Which one you want? Before 7:30, auntie. Hey, it's right now 6 o'clock. Right now it's 6 o'clock, huh? 8. Renu, for me anything is okay, auntie. Even 8 is okay. Okay, Renu. Today we will study, beta. We will study. And when we will have problem, we all will sit and sing song for tomorrow, huh? Fine. Shall we go back to our work, please? So now look here, because tomorrow I am not having exam, you are having exam. You have to understand one thing. Yes, once the class will be over, I am going to send you this PDF first. Yes, I am going to send the PDF, promise. Promise I am going to send the PDF. But first let me finish some of the questions here. We are stuck here. So now look here. One of the root will be what? The root which is exactly going to satisfy the equation. Since a simple part here is, now look here. The simple section here is, I told you now, कि when like that question will be coming, how to handle the question. I discussed everything with you. Now we are going to solve this question. Just give me 1 minute. First I will solve and after that I will talk to you. Huh? Now a plus b plus c equal to 0 is there. Now ax square plus bx plus 1 is there. Now the root satisfies the equation, right? The root satisfies the equation. It will make the equation equal to 0. So one thing here is, here I am seeing that in C option 1 is there. In B option 1 is there, and in A option 1 is there. Now this first two I am going to cancel this one. Then you will be asking why I cancel this one. I'll tell you why. Now the moment you are putting A here, x equal to 1 here. Now what you are getting here is, the moment you will substitute x equal to 1 in this part, then it is exactly going to become a plus b plus c equal to 0. And I think this is the required equation part given, that a plus b plus c equal to 0. Over. A plus b plus c equal to 0, and the moment you put x equal to 1, a plus b plus c equal to 0 coming. Now next important thing, the second part is, now out of this the second option is c, b by a and c by a. Now another root who is going to satisfy this equation. Now we are going to put c by a. The moment we are going to put c by a, let's see what is going to happen. The moment I am going to put c by a, then it will become c square by a square plus b into c by a plus c. So now this and this will get cancelled. So it is coming as c square plus bc plus ac equal to 0. Okay, so because it is going to make it equal to 0. So again, the moment I am going to take c common, it is coming as a plus b plus c. Jackpot here, one time itself we solved it. No need to do any other thing. Now it is coming as 0 because a plus b plus c equal to 0. That's it. Jackpot. You got C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. And why C is going to be the correct answer? Again, I am explaining this type of questions are roller coaster questions. This will confuse you. Your only work is have patience and come out neatly. Okay? Have patience and come out neatly. How to come out neatly from these type of problems? So only one thing is there, and that is, see, a plus b plus c equal to 0 given. A plus b plus c equal to 0 given. Once a plus b plus c equal to 0 given, now what next work you have to do here is, just one time when you substituted 1. The moment you substituted 1 here in ax square plus bx plus c, what you are getting? The moment x will be equal to 1, it is coming as a plus b plus c. and a plus b plus c value in the question itself they have given it equal to 0. So this is exactly going to come as 0. Okay, now next part of the question, what they are telling that ki c by a, I checked c by a option. So here instead of x I substituted c by a. Let's check it is going to become 0 or not. So here it is coming as c square by a square plus bc by a plus c is there. So this and this is going to get cancelled. So c square plus bc plus ac is coming by a is there. So now the moment you will take c common here, the moment you will take c common here, then it is exactly going to come as a plus b plus c by a. So a plus b plus c is nothing but 0. Okay, a plus b plus c is nothing but 0. So 0 into c by a is 0. So again this is going to satisfy the equation. So since it is going to satisfy the equation, story over. Okay. Now this question I had confusion about minus and plus, so I put minus there. I put minus there. Long back I have given this to some students. Now look here. Now question is, if the roots of the equations 12x square minus mx plus 5, just consider minus. If you are able to solve with minus, then the roots are in the ratio 3:2. Then m will be equal to 12x square minus mx plus 5 equal to 0. 12x square minus mx plus 5 equal to 0, and the roots are in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so the roots are in the ratio 3:2. The roots are in the ratio 3:2. Go for this question. So if I will not give you break, you will take self-proclaimed break, huh? Super. A and a square did not got cancelled. Here the most important point there, Tanishka, a and a square I didn't cancelled, I just took common out, beta. I took common out, and then if you will see the video again now, what did I did is I just took common out and I kept it. A plus b plus c. Okay, I'm going to show the question, beta. $12x square minus mx plus 5 equal to 0 are in the ratio. The roots are in the ratio. So since the roots are in the ratio, yes beta, since the roots are in the ratio, now what you are going to do? 12x square minus mx plus 5 equal to 0 are in the ratio. The roots are in the ratio. Yes, Tanu, I just took that part common, beta, and then because a plus b plus c was coming equal to 0, so anything multiplied to 0 will become 0. A plus b plus c was coming equal to 0, so anything multiplied to 0 will become 0. That was the only part I have done. Now go for this one. So 12x square minus mx plus 5 is there. 12x square minus mx plus 5 equal to 0 is there, and roots are in the ratio alpha by beta are in the ratio 3/2. So alpha will be equal to 3x, beta will be equal to 2x. Fine. Alpha will be equal to 3x and beta will be equal to 2x. So I think now you will be able to solve this question. Come on, quickly tell me, will you be able to solve the question, yes or no? I'm just going to repeat this one out. Shall I go out and check? So alpha will be equal to 3x and beta will be equal to 2x. Now sum of the root will be what, beta? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta will be equal to minus of minus m by 12. So alpha plus beta, so alpha into beta, 3x plus 2x will be equal to m by 12. So 5x will be equal to m by 12. So x will be equal to m by 12. So one equation, so I got this one. One equation I got this one. Okay. The next equation will be alpha into beta. Product of the root is coming as 5 by 12. So alpha is 3x, beta is 2x, and it is coming as 5 by 12. So now x square will be equal to 5 by 12 into 6. So x will be what? X will be equal to root under 5 by 12 into 6. I'm going to substitute here root under 5 by 12 into 6 equal to m by 12. First work is I have to square both sides. So 5 by 12 into 6 equal to m by 12. If I am going to square both sides, this is also going to be squared. So m square will be coming as 12 square into 5 by 12 into 6. So this is going to kill each other. Now 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So m square is coming as, options are coming in root, check one time, options are coming. So m square equal to 10. So m equal to plus minus root under 10. N can be plus minus root under 10. I think after solving these many questions, you might have got some idea. Plus minus root under 10, no need to worry about, we got plus minus root under 10. Root under 10 plus minus, and here it is coming as something else. That means plus will be correct there. Plus will be correct there. Plus will be there. 12x square minus mx plus 5 equal to 0 will not be the answer. I have to check. Tawfiq, send me in the group. Send the question to me personally, Tawfiq. I am going to solve your question. Beta, just want checking this one, beta, ki something did I miss something? Sorry, did I miss anything? So 5x equal to m by 12, x equal to coming as, yes, I missed. Massive part I missed. X is coming as 12 into 5. Yes, that's why it is not coming. X is coming as 12 into 5. Now, here it is coming as x equal to, x is coming as this one. So. Got it, Kamya. Thank you, beta. So, m by 12 into 5 equal to m by 12 into 5, x value is there. So, both are x value. So, m by 12 into 5 equal to root under 5 by 12 into 6. So, square both sides. The moment you will squaring both sides, this will become 12 into 5, 60. 12 5 is 60. 60 square equal to 5 by 12 into 6. Now here one small work will be there. M square equal to 5 into 60 by 12 into 6. So 6 tens are 60, 12 5s are 60. So it is going to come as m square is 5 into 5 into 10. So m will be equal to root under 5 into 5 into 10. So m will be equal to 5 root 10. M will be 5 root 10. Absolutely. M is coming as 5 root 10. M is coming as 5 root 10. M is coming as 5 root 10. Let's check the option out. M is coming as what value? M is coming as 5 root 10. Now solve this question. If alpha, beta are roots of this ax square plus bx plus b is equal to 0, then alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus beta by plus b by root a is. Now solve this question. 19th question out. If you will solve 19th question, means jackpot. This is nothing. 9th question is nothing. You just have to 19th question is nothing. You just have to do one small work. See, rest others are sleeping in home. Now look here, beta. Alpha beta part is there. So first work is we are going to solve this section out. Now what is given to you is, it is given that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta equal to b by a. Alpha into beta is b by a. Now this section is given to you. We have to solve and tell the value. So now alpha plus beta, from this equation we got alpha plus beta as minus b by a, alpha into beta as b by a. So these two things we already got. Now small work we have to do, and that is this root section we have to solve. So root under alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus root under b by a is there. So now cross multiply this one. If you are cross multiplying this one, so this will become alpha square plus root under alpha square plus root under beta square by root under alpha beta plus root under b by a. I'm just going to keep it till here. So this part is coming as alpha plus beta alpha plus beta by root under alpha beta plus beta by a. Now alpha plus beta is minus b by a by root under b by a, and here plus root under b by a. Jackpot, trust me, jackpot. Now look here, minus b by a, keep it as it is, rationalize it, it will become, or you take LCM or rationalize it, it will become root under b by a by b by a. So this b by a will get cancelled. Already you have root under b by a. So minus root under b by a plus root under b by a, cancelled, it will become equal to 0. So answer is going to be 0. Answer is going to be 0. Yes, answer is going to be 0. I did nothing. I just solved this two part, and here b by a was there, beta and alpha was not there, so I didn't touch this one. I did cross multiplication. Once I did cross multiplication, I got this as alpha and beta square, because this and this multiplying, it is coming as beta. Tanishka, pay attention here very nicely for this question, beta. So alpha plus beta is coming as minus b by a. From this part I have written alpha into beta is b by a. So I wrote b by a, and then I solved, I got answer as 0. Then I solved. Yes, Kame, I am going to solve this one more time. Minus b by a. So exactly what was given there is alpha plus beta was, equation was ax square plus bx plus b equal to 0. So alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha into beta is b by a. Okay, so these two things by the equation we got. After that what we have to do? After that they have given in the question that, in the question they told solve the equation. The equation given was alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus root under b by a. So this was the question given. Okay, now look here. So now we have to, first this can be written as root under alpha by root under beta plus root under beta by root under alpha plus root under b by a. Now this and this multiply, root under alpha is exactly coming as alpha. So alpha plus beta by root under alpha beta plus root under beta by a. Now you have alpha plus beta value as minus b by a. Substitute here minus b by a. Minus b by a, and alpha into beta value is root under b by a, and this side is coming as plus b by a. So now take rationalization, minus b by a into root under b by a, numerator part. So root under b by a into root under b by a, numerator denominator both I rationalized, and root under b by a, till now root under b by a I have not touched, not even touched. So now this part is going to be minus b by a root under b by a, this part is going to be b by a plus root under b by a. So this and this will get cancelled, it is coming as minus root under b by a plus root under b by a. Answer is coming as 0. Yes, Kamya, ax square was there, so it is going to come as b by a, na beta. Understood, Kamya? Vikave understood? Yeah, equation was ax square plus bx plus c. So only, na beta, alpha plus beta will become minus b by a. Alpha plus beta will become x square. No, okay, no problem. But I wrote alpha plus beta. No problem, beta. I wrote their correct only. I wrote their correct only. Don't worry. Kamya, I wrote their correct only. If I am taking x square also I am writing na. But here I wrote alpha plus. Here it is. I just missed, I think, a. But here answer is correct na. Because alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha into beta is b by a. Alpha into beta is b by a. Correct only. Equation is correct. There I missed a. Thank you so much, beta. Shall we go for the question, please? Next question. So 28th question, at least 25 questions. Now look here. In a quadratic equation with leading coefficients 1, Asim reads the coefficient 16 of x wrongly as 19 and obtained the root as minus 15 and minus 4. The correct roots are? Go for this question. Go for this question. I told you, the more you will go down of the question sections, the more the questions will be more challenging for you. I gave you full day today to revise. Okay. Now look here. In a quadratic equation with leading coefficient 1, Asim read the coefficient 16 of x wrongly as 19 and obtained the roots as minus 15 and minus 4. The correct roots are? The correct roots are, now look here beta, the coefficient part they are telling in a quadratic equation with leading coefficient x square. So first coefficient is this one. Now the second coefficient has to be 16 with x. Okay, but she did what? She wrote 19 of x. Now the roots what she got is minus 15 minus 4. The correct roots are? She got roots as minus 15 minus 4. So, alpha plus beta is equal to 19. Alpha plus beta equal to 19. So, sum of the roots are exactly going to come as 19. Alpha plus beta equal to 19. Minus 19. Alpha plus beta is coming as minus 19. Since she read it as 19. Okay. Then alpha is coming as minus 15. And minus 4. So now alpha and beta is coming as minus 15 and minus 4. So what will be the alpha and beta if 16 will be there? So it will be minus 6 minus 10. Okay. Minus 8 minus 8. 8 or 6 and 10. Tell me. Which one is going to be the correct one? Which one is going to be the correct one? Because if she is going to be very careful, because here if she is going to take minus 6 and minus 10, then alpha is minus 6 and beta is minus 10, then alpha into beta will become 60. Okay, alpha into beta will become 60. So x square plus 16x plus 60 equal to 0. Is it going to satisfy the equation or not? Just one time we have to check. X square plus 16x plus 60. X square plus 16x plus 60. X square plus 16x plus 60. If you are taking alpha and beta as minus 10 and minus 6. So 60 can be written as 6 and 10. So x square plus 6x plus 10x plus 60. So x plus 6 plus 10. X plus 6, so x will be coming as minus 10 minus 6. So 100% it is satisfying. 100% it is satisfying. So B is going to be, yes, 16x is, so 16x plus 60, because the correct answer was 16x, but she misread it as 19. The correct answer was 16x, but she misread it as 19. That was the content. So 20 questions we have done, and I think 2 hours minus 4, sorry, 4:30 I think we started. 4:30 or sometime we have started. So now we have about to be 1.5 hour is over. So what we are going to do is 7:30, I think better we will meet. 7:30 we'll try to meet, huh? I'm sending the questions, okay? Okay, Tanishka.